So this is again from BBP Kit, question number 90. It says each company uses a marginal cost plus pricing system to determine the selling price for one of its products, product X. Product X has the following cost: materials $12, labor 5, variable overheads are 3, fixed overheads are 40. Fixed overheads are $20,000 for the year. So this is $40 fixed overhead which they have given you. This is per unit. This one is per unit, but your total fixed overhead for the year are 20,000 for the year. Budgeted output and sales for the year are 500 units, and this should be sufficient for product X to break even. What profit markup would each company need to add to the marginal cost to allow each company to break even? So we've got, they told you that your material, labor, and variable overhead and fixed overheads are there. And they ask you that fixed overheads in total are $20,000. So how much profit you should add? Now, this is your cost of production. If you see that your cost of production is 12, 520, and 60, I can see, okay? $60 is your cost. And how much you should add your profit in order to break even? So this is the question here, that, what profit markup would each company need to add to the marginal cost allowed to break even? And by the way, marginal cost, if I talk about marginal cost, is not 60, marginal cost is 20. Because 60 is the total cost, it includes fixed. So how should we do that? Who can explain? Okay, this is very simple. What you should know that break-even point is equal to, the formula is break-even point is equal to fixed costs divided by contribution per unit. Okay, contribution per unit. And in this, our question, break-even point is 500. They have given you, and fixed costs are $20,000. This is also given. And how much is the contribution per unit? Contribution per unit, that we do not know. Contribution per unit, we do not know. So now we can say that contribution per unit is equal to, $20,000 divided by 500. So when you say contribution per unit will be actually now 20,000 divided by 50. So your contribution per unit is, actually, what did I do? 500.
I don't get it.
It's 20,000. It's 500. It's 500. So it comes out to be $40. So contribution per unit is $40. Now you know that your marginal cost is 20. So on top of 20 marginal cost, you need to add, $40. So it means that your profit markup, which you are adding up, is 40, and marginal cost is 20. So it is 200%. It is double, it is twice. So the answer is 200%. You can see that the contribution which you are requiring, and this contribution is actually the profit which you are adding. Okay, this contribution is the profit, the markup which you are adding. Markup is 40, marginal cost is 20. So markup is 2 times of your cost. So it means that it should be 200%. Your answer is 200%. They asked you that how much markup you should add. So how did we calculate? We used the same break-even point formula, and we calculated that how much should be the contribution per unit. And you remember the contribution was selling price minus the variable cost. Variable cost was 20. So I should be adding $40 markup on the top of my variable cost and selling the product for $60. The product selling price would be $60, okay? And your markup is 2 times the cost. You can say that markup is 200%. Not really difficult, quite simple.